Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages, we're at hole number 10 at the Cultus Lake Adventure Park mini golf course called Giggle Ridge. Ma is beating me by 1 hole. Can't believe that. Let's take a look at what's gonna happen here, ladies and gentlemen. We gotta go up here, around here, and either go all the way around or come short and try to get in this way. I'm gonna leave you guys right here to see what happens. I bottled water, hold up. I'm going to park. Go ahead, Ma. Decision. Uh-oh, mulligan. That's the mulligan. Interesting strategy, Ma. Interesting strategy.
That one's better.
Whoa, I didn't expect that.
There we go.
Are you going to go all the way around, or are you going to try to take the
I'm
shortcut?
going to take the shortcut.
All right, she's taking the shortcut, ladies and gentlemen. Whoa, nicely done. All right, my turn. Let's put this over here now. There we go. Is it a straight jump? Can I get a 2?
Come on, get a 2.
No. Caution in 3. She needs this to tie it up. Oh.
No.
If I put this in, I win. Let's see what happens. I win! I win, so I tied up the hole. So now, stay tuned for the next hole. Oh, I thought I saw a bird go by.